Hello, farmers, and welcome back to Chicken Grow. Today, we are breaking down the single biggest secret to running a highly profitable poultry operation: how to make your own chicken feed at home. Let's look at the hard truth of poultry economics. If you want to be truly successful with your poultry project, you must plan your feeding strategy with absolute precision. Feed costs are the heaviest burden on any farm. If you rely entirely on commercial feed stores, you'll find that a standard grower's mash can average a staggering huge money per kilogram. At those commercial prices, it becomes incredibly difficult to protect your profit margins. In fact, mismanaging your feeding plan is the fastest way to lose business and shut down your poultry project entirely. But what if you could bypass the expensive commercial market, take full control of your flock's nutrition, and instantly slash your feed expenses by 20%? In this masterclass, we are revealing our exact farm-tested formula to mix 100 kilograms of high-performance feed right at home. We are going to show you the precise raw ingredients, the exact ratios, and a brilliant local hack that supercharges egg quality for absolutely free. Formulating your own feed is the ultimate game changer for self-sufficiency. If you are ready to maximize your profits and learn creative, cost-cutting farming strategies, hit that subscribe button right now and turn on the bell notification. Let's look at our core baseline ingredient. The main baseline ingredient for our home formula is Maize Bran. Maize Bran is a highly affordable byproduct of the maize milling process, and it serves as the primary energy engine for your birds. For this masterclass mix, we are basing our entire formula on 100 kilograms of Maize Bran. When sourcing your ingredients, the absolute best maize bran to buy is the type that already contains plenty of broken maize particles. If your bran is too fine or stripped down, you will be forced to buy and add extra broken maize to your formula just to hit the correct energy levels. Next, we introduce our micronutrient defense, Poultry Premix. We add exactly 1 kilogram of premix per our 100 kilogram maize bran base. Premix is incredibly cost-effective, costing only small money per kilogram, yet it is absolutely packed with the essential vitamins and minerals required to maintain the baseline health, immunity, and metabolic functions of your birds. Our third ingredient is standard animal salt. Mix exactly 1 kilogram of animal salt into the 100 kilogram feed base. Do not skip this step. Animal salt serves a vital physiological purpose. It stimulates the bird's appetite, encouraging them to consume their feed consistently while driving up their daily drinking water intake. This hydration and steady consumption directly boost their growth rates and overall egg production. Now, we add the heavy hitter for protein and amino acids, broiler or layer concentrate. Add exactly 15 kilograms of specialized layer concentrate to the mix. The concentrate is what fuels the intense physical demands of the laying stage. You must match concentrate to the exact age and stage of your flock. The blend we are using today is specifically formulated for birds currently in their active egg-laying cycle. If your birds are below the laying stage, you must purchase the specific grower or starter concentrate made by the feed company. They are not the same, and using the wrong blend will stall your bird's development. Number 5 on the list is agricultural lime. Add exactly 10 kilograms of lime to your feed setup. This lime consists of 40% pure calcium. Calcium is the primary building block needed for birds to develop rock-solid skeletal structures, and, most importantly, to lay eggs with perfectly hard shells. Without this precise calcium ratio, your hens will begin laying weak-shelled, rubbery, or completely deformed eggs that break in the nest and destroy your profits. Finally, once you have your base feed mixed and you are ready to present it to your flock at the farm, it is time to deploy our ultimate local secret: fresh banana peelings. Take locally available banana peelings, chop them up into highly digestible pieces, and mix them directly into your prepared feed. Banana peelings are completely free and widely available. By complementing your home mixed feed with this local material, you instantly elevate the internal quality of your eggs while slashing your overall feed consumption costs. It is the ultimate creative hack for turning local waste into premium poultry gold. Once all your dry ingredients are piled together, Take a clean spade and thoroughly turn the pile over until you achieve a perfectly uniform, homogeneous feed mash. Now, if you are mixing massive commercial quantities, this physical labor can get tough. But today, we chose to mix a small, targeted batch of 100 kilograms of Maize Bran base, and that is the true beauty of DIY home feed mixing. You have the total freedom to mix any amount of feed at any time based on your current farm needs. This flexibility saved our operation this week. Moving forward, the ultimate lesson here is logistics. Next time, we plan to utilize this exact formula to stock up on large quantities of raw ingredients in advance, ensuring our feed store can sustain our flock over any extended flood period. Making your own feed isn't just about saving money. It's about building a resilient, creative, and highly profitable poultry farm that can survive any market inflation or weather crisis. By combining Maize Bran, premix, salt, calcium lime, and layer concentrates with free local materials like banana peelings, you protect your wallet and your flock simultaneously. We absolutely love sharing our real farm experiences and DIY blueprints to inspire creative thinking and self-sufficiency at home. Now I want to hear from you. What are the current commercial feed prices in your local area? And are you ready to start mixing your own feed this week? Let's talk strategy in the comments below. If this step-by-step formulation masterclass brought real value to your farming journey today, smash that like button, share this video with a fellow poultry producer, and hit subscribe with the notification bell turned on so you never miss a single weekly upload. Keep your mind sharp, stay creative at home, and let's keep our chickens growing. See you in the next masterclass.